Hey, Matt Byer of Matt Byer Organizing with a clothes storage solution from Chaoscleared. Ordinarily, when we recommend easy storage solutions, they are clear containers like this one so you can see what's inside. The one exception I make for that is with clothes storage because clothes need to breathe, so we go with a product like this with breathable material. However, with this product from Chaoscleared, you get the best of both worlds. You get the breathable fabric, clear panel so you can see what's inside. My only concern was there's no structure to it unless you have this filled to capacity to give the structure internally. Well, that's not a problem at all. I've got 50 t-shirts in here, 16 pairs of underwear. So the combination of this breathable fabric, see-through panel, and a great price at just $10.99, this is a terrific clothes storage solution. Get yours at chaoscleared.com.